Houston Estate Planning Attorney, the Law Office of Whitney L. Thompson, PLLC, Estate Planning Attorneys. An estate plan is essentially an instruction manual for your belongings and family in the event of your passing or in the case you become disabled. Probate happens after the fact. The person who is named the executor or personal representative of a will needs to file for probate. Wills decide who carries out your will, who inherits your assets and when they'll receive them, who will be the guardian of any underage children. In the event that you become disabled or pass away, an estate plan can designate who gets your belongings, provide instructions for your care if you are disabled, add life insurance for your family, designate trust funds for loved ones. Note that not all special needs children will need someone else to make decisions for them. But in the case that your child does, we can help you. Maximize the government resources and benefits your child can receive. Create a special needs trust. Put together an inheritance that will help pay for their future medical expenses. Designate guardianship when your child turns 18. Planning for disability or end-of-life care can seem like a negative conversation, but it is necessary in the case that an elderly person becomes incapacitated or terminally ill. We can help arrange advanced medical directives, hospice care, nursing home or assisted living care, pain and symptom management, life support wishes, asset protection, wealth management, government resources and benefits for help in paying medical expenses. Is your family member looking for long-term care or treatment? Medicaid is a viable option. Estate planning allows you to choose how that happens and who gets what assets. Proper estate planning instructs the courts and your heirs on how you wish to have your belongings distributed. In other words, estate planning is important for anyone at any time. No matter at what point you are in your life, an estate plan will ensure that your wishes are carried out regarding distribution of assets, who will take care of your minor children, or other important matters. Provide protection for your family so they aren't subject to extensive legal hassles at a difficult time. Allow you to leave a legacy for your family and ensure that they are taken care of. Avoid costly and time-consuming probate. Reduce estate taxes. Avoid family disputes and costly litigation. Protect your beneficiaries. Protect your assets. Depending on your needs, estate planning services may include wills, revocable living trusts, special needs trusts, irrevocable trusts, asset protection and management options, Medicaid planning, advanced directives, financial powers of attorney, medical powers of attorney, asset protection, disposition of remains, guardianship designation for adults, guardianship designation for minor children. There are some things that must be considered when drafting a will in Texas. A will cannot avoid probate. A will has no legal authority until after you die, so it is unable to manage any physical or financial needs if you become unable to do so. If you have minor children, you can use a will to establish a trust. In this case, should something happen to you, a guardian of your choosing will be designated to care for your children. Without this type of destination, the state will have to appoint a guardian. One of the primary reasons individuals choose to use trusts is because they avoid the time and cost of probate. A revocable living trust, or living trust, is one of the most common. Powers of attorney and advance directives allow others to step in and make decisions on your behalf should something happen and you cannot do this for yourself. A power of attorney can be as broad or limited as you design it. Your advance directives give instructions about your medical care and end-of-life decisions to your doctors and family. For those who are concerned about care in later life, either for themselves or a family member, Houston Estate Planning Attorney Whitney L. Thompson can help guide you and make the proper arrangements for nursing home and long-term care, end-of-life planning, income, gift, and estate tax planning, guardianship issues, and other elder law issues. If you have a special needs family member that must be provided for once they reach adulthood, or you become unable to care for them, you may benefit from special needs planning. Houston estate planning attorney Whitney L. Thompson and her team are happy to answer any questions you may have about your Houston estate and how your unique situation can be best addressed. Call us at 281-214-0173 or contact us via our website contact form to schedule a confidential consultation.